At the very outset, we thank the Almighty God for the gift of this beautiful and well-meaningful day. Well, today, 29 June 2023, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Rangblang, with a grateful heart, we bid farewell to Reverend Father Alphonsius. The four lines from the poem states, "You are a very special person, and we did really know how much we love you, being a principal, pastor, mentor, and teacher. But how fast the years did go. Yep, Father, as a principal, you have worked very hard to shape our minds with an aim that we might become great people one day. You have worked relentlessly that every student will achieve their dream. 3 years pass by, and it is so amazing. We don't realize how quickly time flies. You are a constant source of inspiration and motivation. You have inculcated in us the spirit of teamwork and hard work. Last but not the least, thank you so much, Father, for being good to us. We know that we are missing you from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Rangblang. Your good deeds will remain in our heart forever. Thank you, dear Father. Blessings and best wishes to you from teachers and students of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Rangblang. Thank you.
I say to you, thank you, thank you, thank you, I say to you, thank you, thank you, thank you, I say to you. So good afternoon to one and all. So it's very beautiful day, isn't it, on this afternoon, to have this short get together along with me, along with me. So